welcome to City Grill. My name's Ron Vore, and in this episode I'm going to do some grouper, and instead of the traditional grouper with olive oil, salt and pepper, grill it, I'm going to change it up a little bit. So I have some fresh South Carolina grouper from the shrimp guy here in Columbia, South Carolina. Instead of olive oil, I went ahead and melted some bacon fat, bacon grease, whatever you like to call it here. And I'm going to use that as my base on this grouper. So I'm going to just kind of, I don't want to say lightly, but I'm going to liberally apply this bacon grease to the fish, right? That'll help keep it from not sticking on the grill, and it's going to enhance this flavor. You know, grouper as well as halibut and other whitefish are very mild. There's, you know, it doesn't taste fishy, which is great, but I want to add another dimension to this, and I thought, well, you know, instead of wrapping in bacon or something like that, why not a little bacon grease here, and just coat it just like so. And then the next step I'm going to do is add the secret seasoning that I have. This lady's made this, and her friend have made this recipe for the seasoning. It's excellent. I can't wait for them to go to market with this. Once I do that, I'll put it on the video and where you can get it and all that stuff. But I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit and just sprinkle it over top of the fish here. I don't think I'm gonna do both sides. I think I'll just do the one side because once I cook this on the grill, I'm gonna bring it in and end up probably dipping in a little garlic butter as well. And actually, you know, I might just take that sprinkled around just like so. You know, I think I will. These bigger ones, I think I might do both sides, but that's how this works. And next step will be take it out on the grill, just lightly do the backside here, and get ready to grill it up. All right, I'm out on the grill. The temperature is 350, 375, medium-high heat, and I have my grouper here with the secret seasoning on top, and I'm just gonna place it on the grill. Now I've got some larger pieces here, so I know it's a little bit warmer in the back, so I'm putting them there. And my thinner pieces, I'm going to bring them towards the front because I know it's cooler up here. I'm going to watch them as I cook them just to make sure they don't burn up or anything. And when they start to fillet, I know they're ready. And I'll probably cook it about, I don't know, a little thunder out here today. I might cook it for, let's say, 5 minutes or so, 6 minutes. And then check it, flip them over, and then cook them for another 5 minutes. But we'll see how they go here. All right, it's been about 4 minutes, so let's take a look at the grouper. It looks beautiful. You can start to see how it's getting white on the underside. And wow, because of that bacon grease, I can easily move it on the grill grate here, flip it over. Now those are smaller ones. I'm gonna bring them back towards the front a little bit more. Go ahead and flip these, grab that guy back. Yeah, just like that. There's my friendly thunder again out here. Keeping me some company out here as I'm cooking my fish. Hold of this guy and flip him over. Boy, that's looking really good. I'm going to give it another 4 minutes, I think, because I can see it's starting to want to fillet, but you know, it's a little raw on the back side right now. So let that cook 4 minutes and we're going to be ready to eat. All right, we're back outside. It's been another 4 minutes. This grouper looks beautiful. You can definitely see it starting to flake apart here, just like so. So it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this up, take it inside, and get ready to eat. So another way to do this, you know, you can use whatever kind of seasoning, that's fine. This secret special seasoning, once it gets to market, I'll let you know what that is. What's also fun to do is do a little garlic butter. This is garlic butter they've already made. You can get the recipe out on citygrilling.com under the special sauces and stuff like that. Let me try that. Oh yeah, garlic butter doesn't hurt it at all either. So get the recipe at citygrilling.com. Once this seasoning comes to market, I highly recommend it. Again, you could use salt and pepper, be pretty plain Jane on your fish, but this really kicks it up and tastes delicious.